Morning guys, welcome to Jamieson Strange UK and welcome to an episode of Jamieson's Railway Adventures. In this episode I am going to be doing Lanark Diverts. So basically services from Glasgow to Lanark are running fast services via the Cathcart Circle, and Glasgow to Larkhall services will be basically all the Newton services are extended up to Larkhall. So yeah, going out for that today. So yeah, going to film a couple of journeys. Going to be filming at Burnside station and probably Kirkhill, not sure. But yeah, weather's actually quite good today, so that'll make your day a wee bit more enjoyable. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the Glasgow to Lanark services. They're quite good. Yeah, good journeys to film, and even the journeys themselves are quite fun, especially jaunty track around about 50-60 mile an hour. So yeah, that should be good. But hope you enjoyed this episode, and I shall see you all at the train station. Alright guys, we just arrived into Glasgow Central. It's there. Fuck knows where that's, I think that's away to Newton. But anyway, we're at Glasgow Central and this will be our first train. Good start, a 318 result. But we got a 318 263. I've taken that to Lanark. I'm going to film the journey all the way to Lanark, which is diverted. So I'm looking forward to that. So yeah, better go and set the camera up, get a couple of pictures here, and I shall see you on. Alright guys, we're back in Glasgow Central. Successfully filmed the journey on the 318 to Lanark, which I'm quite chuffed with. Got an hour until the next Lanark service, and I could be lucky with a 314. I think they're doing a Lanark services as well, but I've done a 318. If a 314 is running, great. But we'll do the 320 and maybe the 321. We'll see what happens. But hey, platform 11. We used to be able to get a 318 from here to Ayr. Sadly, it's those heap of shit. But yeah, I also plan to film at Burnside station, but we'll need to see what's happening with that. I think I'm just going to be filming the train journeys, because you know what I'm like, but you never know, could change my plan, but you know what I'm like by now. I prefer filming train journeys than filming at stations. But yeah, got an hour to, well, probably we've got a few minutes to wait in. Oh, basically 40 minutes until our unit comes in, so yeah, we'll see where we go and we'll go from there. So yeah, catch up with you update for you. Gonna head back down to Lanark, but got a pair of 320s. What's this at the front? There we go, 308, and at the back is 302. There's a couple of 314s. Yeah, I've got a feeling that 314s are not running the Lanark services, but what I'll do is, it's the last 318 journey is actually joined up with a 320. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to film the journey on those pair of 320s, then the next it's a pair of 318s. So yeah, that should be good. But yeah, it's getting cold, so I'll get some photos, jump on the train, set the camera up, sit for half an hour. But yeah, I'll catch up with you in a wee bit. Alright guys, back in Glasgow Central. Successfully filmed the journey on the 320s from Glasgow to Lanark, diverted via then.
The next train to depart from the front of platform 10 will be 16.
What is that?
Service to Blackhall.
Yep, got to have a bit of a sprinter. What I'm going to do is, I'm waiting for the 318, but we'll film the 320 leaving, because why not? And then we'll jump on the 318 because it's so fucking cold. Sorry, at least I got a jacket in my bag. But anyhow, film this leaving and I'll go on the Lanark service. Alright guys, a wee update. Yeah, this will be our final train journey. We've got 318, 258 and 318, 265. Going to film this journey. Yeah, I'm refilming the 318 journey because this time we got a fully 6-car 318. Not a 318 joined up with a 320. Fully 6-car 318, so that's how I thought we'll have a go again. So this will be our last journey to Lanark. Then after that, probably pub. But yeah, before I can have a beer, gotta get back to work. So I'll see you on a bit. We just left Lanark after successfully filmed the full journey from Glasgow Central to Lanark via Florida. Well, didn't stop at Florida, but yeah, on a diverted line. Yeah, we're on 318, 265 and 258 is at the rear. So it's just basically a relaxing journey back to Glasgow. We'll film this leaving, this will be going to Larkhall next, so we'll film that, then pub, because why not? Don't know. So might go to the pub, might go, I'll see. But yeah, so 318 Flash, keep it nice and entertained, better than a shitty 380 any day. But yeah, I'll see you on it. Hey guys, we just arrived into Glasgow Central. Yeah, smash and run on those pair of 318s. Like I said, cannot beat a good old 318. Oh, for fuck's sake, woman! You've had to tell us that. Right, anyway, going to film those pair of 318s leaving, and then go to the pub, maybe get something to eat as well. I'll have a wee hink, but yeah, get a couple of pints doing this as well, so yeah, I shall see yous when we head for the air train. we're back at Glasgow Central, and this will be our train. Yep, we've got 380 104 and 380 008. I don't think you're interested in looking at that heap of shit. No, it's a silly little 380. Same old plastic shit. But yeah, yep, just came out of the pub. Actually, I was surprised I'm not drunk yet, but I had my dinner and all, so so I'm actually stuffed. To be honest, I never struggled on food like that since I was probably about 10. But it was a good burger, but I never struggled in my life. Exactly. Plus, sometimes see you drink that Sky Red Ale, gets you quite winded as well. So, yeah, that's that. Right, this will be our seats now. So, I'm going to get a quick photo before. Try to turn my phone on with my nose. There we go. 8 minutes. That's alright. 8 minutes. We can get a couple of photos and then we'll just piss off back home. So, yep, there's the unit there. We'll get a nice wee photo, then that's that. I'll see you all at Kilwinning, so yep, see you at Kilwinning. Alright guys, final update from today. That's just arrived in the house and I am fucking devastated. What is it? Alright, that's there. My camera blew on the train. Look. So yeah, obviously I'm talking through the webcam, but yeah, good ending to a cracking day. Fucking camera blows up. Nah, I think that's done. Oh, absolutely devastated. So looks so as if I'm definitely not going to be filming for a while. And I did say that, but you know, I said that to save money up for, you know, online rovers. No. Got to fork out for a new camera. Smashing. Yeah. No idea how that happened, but anyhow, it's been a smashing day in that though. I've managed to film journeys on 320, a pair of 320s and a pair of 318s on the diverted Glasgow to Lanark services, so I was quite happy with that. Which what I was basically out for, basically filming different traction on those lines. But yeah, that was a sad ending. But you know, it's actually, sound quality is a bit poor, but you know, it's actually lasted me well for the past year. And mind you, it's not a brand new camera, but if it's a second hand camera I bought out of Kex, and it's actually served me well. But yep, I get paid tomorrow, but it looks as though I need to go to Kex and, you know, fork out for a new camera. Well, I miss my, I don't know, I miss my Cameron's one, but yeah, my Cameron's SX500 SI or something like that. I missed that one. That was a good camera, but yeah, I'll try to look for one of them because that was a belter. But apart from that, it's a good day. So yeah, sorry about that rant. Just one of these things. But don't know when I'll see you in our next episode, because yeah, I gonna need to do what needs to be done. Fork out for a new camera. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this episode, because I've actually enjoyed the day. And yeah, I shall see you all in the next episode, which, no idea, I'll think of something, but it's not going to happen anytime soon. But it's a good timing and all, because I've got a lot of videos to catch up with. Well, by the time this episode's uploaded, and that it will be updated. So this must be episode of 260 million episode. But anyhow, I'll see you in the next episode. So cheerio.